you have a flat, you got to change the tube. This is how to take a tire off.
So now the wheel is off, so then you would just replace your tube. Just like you would on a regular bike, tire levers. That's how you take the wheel off. So what you want to do is you want to put it so that the chain is over this part. You see that?
Okay, got it. Then there.
There's a few ways to do that, but that's just how I do it. And then you screw this indicator chain back in. You got to kind of push it all the way in. And you're going to start screwing the chain, and you can feel it caught it. Perfect. Okay. And there you go.